This video is designed to show you how to import existing content into your My MCPS Classroom course using either materials you've created in your practice course or in a course from a previous school year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my course for the current school year. And as you can see, it's currently unpublished, which I can see from this red box, unpublished, that's highlighted here. And there's no content. So you can always start from scratch. You can always create a new module. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to import stuff from my course from last school year. So I'm going to click on Settings. And then once I'm in Settings, over here on the right-hand side of your page, it may be at the bottom depending on what browser you're using. But I want to select Import Course Content. And then once I'm here, you can then select Copy a Canvas Course. Now, if you have some sort of file from another platform, you could import that as well. But since we're working with My MCPS Classroom, which is on the Canvas platform, I'm going to use a Canvas course. Now, I'm going to select a course. Now, I'm going to choose one from my archive from last school year. And as you can see here, everything that existed back then is going to be present. So I had called my physics course from semester 1 AP Physics C. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Now you can choose to import anything that you had ever uploaded for that course, or you can select specific content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose that. If you're going to import all your content, you could even keep all your assignments, and you can click this button to adjust events and due dates. So you could shift everything one date over if you want to use the same plan, but update it so that it matches the new calendar. So I'm going to go with select specific content. I'm going to hit upload. And so now it's going to let me choose. So I can choose if I want to keep the same course settings that I used before. I can decide if I want to take all 4 of these modules with me, and I'm going to check yes. I can say I want to take all the assignments, files. I'm not going to take the announcement. I'm not going to take the wiki pages for now, or actually I will. So once you've selected what you're going to take with you, you're going to hit select content, and you're going to see this queued button right here. And eventually it'll run and it'll import all of that stuff from your other course, your previous course, into your current course. So now we're just going to wait while it does that. And it sometimes can take a few minutes depending on how much content you're importing. The less content, the less time it will take. Once the import has completed, you'll see this green completed button right here, and then you can click on home for your course. And now you can see it's imported my course from the previous year. Now, one thing I'm going to want to go in and update, so some of my things that I had typed in here, like for example, it's now my 6th year of teaching, you might want to go in and update some things on your pages. And then one thing to just note, when you import, it automatically publishes everything except the course. So for example, I don't want these assignments to be published yet because they haven't happened for the current school year. So what I'm going to go through and do is uncheck these boxes for my assignments that I carried over because I don't want my students and their families to be able to see these just yet. So this is one step that you're going to have to follow. And then same thing for modules. If you don't want it to be published, make sure you unpublish those modules. And it'll ask you to unpublish, and you'll hit update. Just as a friendly reminder, once you've adjusted what you want published and unpublished for the start of your course, you need to then publish the entire course so that it becomes visible on the students' and parents' portal dashboards. So you're going to go ahead and click this publish button. And when it turns green, that means that your course is now visible to students and their families. So hopefully you found this helpful for importing existing content from a Canvas course.